Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Z Chemistry. And today's topic is about water pollution. Water is also a natural resource like air, and it also faces the threat of pollution these days. Water is a universal solvent. It is colorless, tasteless, and odorless. What this water pollution means: whenever addition of unwanted substances or addition of unwanted materials into water or water bodies occurs, there occurs a change in the quality of the water, in the odor of the water, and in the color of the water. That particular change is called as water pollution. And this water pollution, it causes a great havoc, or it becomes the prime source. This polluted water becomes the prime source for the spread of diseases, or it becomes the prime source for the extinction of life in water bodies, or for the extinction of plant and animal life in the water bodies. And those substances which pollute this water are called as water pollutants. Water pollutants. The substances that pollute this water are called as water pollutants. A number of pollutants are there which are mixed with this water, or which are mixed with this water body due to human activities. One of the water pollutant, that is sewage. It's all the unwanted water that comes out from our houses, and that comes out from the industries, factories. That's called as sewage. And when this sewage it mixes with water, there occurs the entry of unwanted substances with this water, which makes this water polluted. Or due to this, there occurs a change in the quality of the water, in the odor of the water, and also in the color of the water. Another is there, that is factories and industries. Factories and industries. The establishment of the factories and industries near the water or water bodies, like cement industry, like paper industry, like steel industry, like other chemical industries, where from different chemicals are formed. The addition of run-away chemicals, the addition of this ash or unwanted substance or unwanted chemicals with this water, that results in the change in the quality, odor, and color of the water, which makes water unfit for drinking purpose. Or the establishment of laundries. The establishment of laundries, or we can state that the washing of clothes near water bodies, or near streams, near canals, near rivers, it also adds non-biodegradable substances into the water, due to which water becomes unfit for drinking purpose, or becomes unfit for another purpose. And also the throwing of garbage in the this water body, it also makes this water polluted. And also the throwing of flowers. Certain rituals are there, certain religious rituals are there, whereby whenever mostly these flowers are thrown into the water, or into the water body, like Ganga, like Jamuna, or like another water bodies, or another these water resources, due to which this water it becomes polluted. And also the throwing of idols of gods and goddesses. This also cause pollution of water. The cremation of dead bodies near water bodies, that also adds ash, and that also adds some unwanted substance with this water body. Due to this water it becomes unfit for drinking purpose. And these were certain factors which cause pollution of this water, and this water becomes unfit for drinking purpose. Due to this water pollution, what happens? Besides human life, it causes a great havoc for the plant and animal life too. Plant and animal life that also becomes that also faces the threat of extinction with this water pollution, and there should be certain measures to curb such mistake. For that purpose, this movement of the sewage into water bodies, it must be stopped. It must not be allowed. There must be strict rules for it, or the establishment of these factories and industries that should not be near these water bodies. Most of the factories and industries, they are present near water bodies, and due to this, what happens? There occurs these water bodies. They become the threat of extinction, or the water present in them that becomes unfit for this drinking purpose or unfit for other purpose too. These establishment of these factories and industries must be stopped near water bodies, and also the establishment of laundries that should not be allowed, or the throwing of garbage that must be stopped in order to curb this menace of water pollution. The throwing of flowers during religious gatherings, or throwing of these idols of gods and goddesses during religious religious events, it must be stopped if we have to preserve this much important natural resource on Earth. Otherwise, it will be too late for us, and our coming generation will not be able to survive on this planet. And it was all about today's lecture. Have a nice day.